In this question, you must show detailed reasoning. Given that the curve y squared minus 3xy plus x squared is equal to 5, find the gradient at the point 1 minus 1, find the equation of the normal at the point P to the curve C, and then find the coordinates of the point Q where the normal meets the curve C again. Okay, so this involves differentiating using implicitly. So the derivative of y squared with respect to x is 2y dy by dx. Here we have to use the product rule, so that will be u, which is going to be 3x, times the derivative of y, which is dy by dx, plus v, which is y, times the derivative of 3x, which is 3. Make sure that you put brackets in there. Derivative of x squared is 2x, and derivative of 5 is 0. So carrying on, we're going to have 2y dy by dx minus 3x dy by dx. Now, minus times the plus will make a minus 3y plus 2x is equal to 0. We need to make dy by dx a subject. So there's a common factor here of dy by dx, so we'll take it out. So we're going to have 2y minus 3x dy by dx plus 3y minus 2x. And then finally, dy by dx will be 3y minus 2x over 2y minus 3x. Right, we need to put in the point where x is 1 and y is minus 1. So, substituting, you're going to get 3 times minus 1 minus 2 times 1. 2 times minus 1 minus 3 times 1. So that'll give me minus 3, take away 2, minus 2 take away 3, which will give me minus 5 over minus 5, which is 1. So the gradient at P is 1, but we want the equation of the tangent. Sorry, we want the gradient of the normal, so the normal will be minus 1 because the product of these has to be minus 1. And then at the point 1 minus 1, using y minus y1 is equal to mn x minus x1. We're going to get y plus 1 is equal to minus 1 times x minus 1. So it gives you y plus 1 minus x, and then minus times the minus gives you plus 1. The plus 1s will cancel out, and the equation of the normal is y is equal to minus x. We need to find where this meets the curve again. So to find where the curve and the line intersect, we just need to substitute minus x instead of y into the original equation. So it's minus x squared, notice the use of brackets there, minus 3x times minus x plus x squared is equal to 5. Minus x squared gives you x squared. Minus x times minus 3 will give you plus 3x squared. Plus x squared is equal to 5. We've got 5x squared is equal to 5. And therefore x squared is equal to 1, and therefore x is equal to plus or minus 1. We've already done the case where we have where x is 1, because we know the y value is minus 1, so the q must be the other value when x is minus 1, which will mean that the y value will be 1 because we're putting into y is equal to minus x. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find the equation of normal using implicit differentiation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.